Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class and digital class. I am Sandhu Sujata, School Assistant Mathematics from ZPHS Amrat, Mandal Maklur, District Nizamabad. Today I am going to take a class for 10th class Mathematics. The chapter name is Quadratic Equations and the concept is Nature of Roots. So children, get ready for your online class with your math textbook and notebooks. Before start the class, let us recapitulate the previous knowledge about polynomial. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression involving the variables with non-negative power is called polynomial. Here, some examples are there: 8x cube and 2x square minus 3x plus 5. What are the types of polynomials are there according to degree in your class? There are 3 types of polynomials are there according to the degree in this class. So they are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is called quadratic equation, and in this class we are learning about quadratic equations and nature of roots. What is a quadratic equation? The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. It is called quadratic equation. Let us see what are the uses of quadratic equations. When a rocket is fired upward, then the path of the rocket is defined by quadratic function, and the shapes of the satellite dish lengths are defined by the quadratic functions, and the lengths of eyeglasses and orbits of the artificial satellites are defined by the quadratic functions. Roots of the polynomial. The zero of the quadratic polynomial and roots of the quadratic equations are the same. There are 4 methods to find the roots of quadratic equations. They are factorization method, graphical method, completing the square method, and fourth one, quadratic formula. Every quadratic equation has one solution or 2 solutions or no solution. So, in the first picture you are observing the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, so it has 2 roots. In the next picture, the graph intersects the x-axis at only 1 point, so it has only one root. In the third graph, the graph does not intersect the x-axis, so it has no real roots. When we find the roots of the quadratic equation, we can say that whether quadratic equation has one root or 2 solutions or no solutions after solving the quadratic equation in any above methods. Can we say whether the quadratic equation has 2 solutions or no solution or one solution before solving the quadratic equation? Yes. Finding discriminate value of the quadratic equation, we can say nature of roots. So what is discriminate? Yes, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. It determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 has real roots or not. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Let us see case 1. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if the discriminant value is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Let us see case 2. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots are real and equal and there exists only one root. This is graphical representation. Let us see case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. The graphical representation of this case is represented here. how we find the problem. Find the discriminant of quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 4 and hence find the nature of the roots. Let us see how we find the discriminant. Here quadratic equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0 when we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 4. The discriminant value delta equal to b square minus 4ac we have already learnt. So that equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 4 that equal to 9 minus 32 that equal to minus 21. It is less than 0. So the quadratic equation has no real roots because the discriminant value is less than 0. Let us see the another problem. Find the value of k of the following quadratic equation that it has two equal roots. The quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Let us see the solution. Solution 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. When we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a equal to 2, b equal to k, c equal to 3. In the problem it is already given that the roots are equal. So if roots are equal, then we can write discriminant value equal to 0. Then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. By substituting the values k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0, then k square minus 24 equal to 0. We get k square equal to 24, k equal to square root of 24. Therefore we get k equal to 2 root 3. Children, let us discuss what we have discussed in this class. We have discussed quadratic equations and nature of roots. If discriminant value is greater than 0, then quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. If discriminant value equal to 0, then quadratic equation has two equal real roots. If discriminant value is less than 0, then no real roots. Children, here is a Google form. Type the address in the Google form and you get a Google form, and assessment yourself, you get a score and send to your maths teacher. Children, let us meet in another class. Thank you.